In this video, I will show you how to create a soft link, also called a symbolic link, using the terminal in Ubuntu. Let's get started. First, open your terminal. You can do this by pressing Ctrl, Alt and T together, or you can search for terminal in your applications. Now, let me explain what a soft link is in simple words. A soft link is like a shortcut. It points to another file or folder. When you open the soft link, it opens the real file. This is useful when you want to access a file from another place without copying it. Now, we will create a sample file. Type this command, touch original.txt. This creates an empty file called original.txt. Next, let's create a soft link to this file. Type this command, ln-s original.txt mylink.txt. The -s means symbolic link. This command creates a new file called mylink.txt. It is not a real file. It just points to the original file. To check if the link was created correctly, type ls-l. This will list the files in the folder. You will see that mylink.txt has an arrow pointing to original.txt. This shows that it is a soft link. You can now use mylink.txt to access the contents of original.txt. That's it. You have now learned how to create a soft or symbolic link in Ubuntu using the terminal. Thank you for watching.